Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can whiten your teeth in a photo by using CapCut apps. So here I've already imported a photo into my CapCut and I want to make the teeth wider. So what you need to do is click on the photo or maybe video that you import to CapCut, then go to the retouch feature. Click on face. Now swipe until you find the white teeth option. Click on this and you can just adjust the intensity by swiping the circle to the right like this, and it will edit your teeth to become wider. Click on the check icon and you are finished. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.